This video I'm going to teach you how to transfer a football mobile account to PC. So in order to transfer it, you can actually just link your game account with your Konami ID on your PC. To do that, let's first head over it here into our eFootball. Under the mobile application, there are actually two ways to do it. You can link it via support. For iOS users and Android, you can select the extra, then click on support and click on this link data option. So from in there, you can see this link Konami ID. Make sure to click on that. From in there, you can see this confirmation. Make sure to click onto this proceed option. Now from in there, you can see that you can actually just connect it as well via the eFootball points. For example, head over to your shop, click on this eFootball points. From in there, click onto this items. And after that, you can see this exchangeable items. So for this one, just choose in here which one you want. And then if you're actually on the users on iOS or Android, head over and proceed with the link. And from in there, confirm the link by proceeding. And enter in here your Konami ID in order to log in. So in there, you can just get two-step verification if you don't have it yet. And then agree to the user agreements. And as you can see, your Konami ID will be linked. Now, the data will be linked and this can actually show up on your page once you're done. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.